How to convert an Amazon gift card into Paytm cash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert an Amazon gift card into Paytm cash. To transfer to Amazon Pay, first, sign in to your Amazon Pay account. Next, select the gift cards option. Redeem your gift card by applying the voucher code. Now, transfer the funds from your Amazon Pay account to your bank account. To contact Amazon customer support, log in to your Amazon account first. Now, click on Customer Service. Then, choose the Payment, Charges, or Gift Card option. After that, select the problem with a gift card category. Follow the on-screen prompts to contact Amazon customer support to sell gift cards through third-party sites. Find reputable websites that allow you to sell gift cards such as Raise, Card Cash, or Gift Card Granny. Next, sign up for an account on the chosen website and set up a payment method. Now, list your Amazon gift card for sale, providing all the necessary details. Wait for a buyer and complete the transaction. Finally, payment can be received and transferred into Paytm cash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.